Young man, what's your name? Samuel Dankwa. Okay, today again is 4th of October 2023. It's Odopa here. I'm at the mall, Kumasi mall. The lady I met, the young lady I met, no, not a young lady, young girl, who for me is an inspirational. That is her boss. So the boss was telling me a story. So Mr. Boss, let's go. Describe who you are.
Yeah, I've done a training for a long period, and I decided to do it because there is no jobs in Ghana here. So I didn't look at my friends, and I decided to do it so that I can get money to further my education, which is tertiary. So right after the secondary school, and I came to Kumasi and name. After I completed the tertiary, which is University of Education, and then I decided also to do my national service. So after the national service, I'm still with them, and I've been going to work to and supervising my employees. Yes, that is what I'm doing now.
So you are at the university right now?
Completed.
You completed. So whilst you were at the university, you were still doing the cleaning job?
Yes, I was still doing it.
And then, so now you've completed, and you are now a supervisor.
Yes.
So you got people under you.
Yes,
okay, that's very inspirational. And then that pays your university bills?
yes.
It did. Okay. So at the moment, how many young girls like this young lady?
I've now employed, I'm having 3 employees, 1 young girl and then 2 boys.
2 boys.
Yes.
Okay, including this one?
Yes.
Okay.
So I am now opening an office so that I can employ more.
Where's your office?
The office is at the Ahensai Market.
Ahensai Market.
Yes.
And is that going to be your self-employed or? So you are doing your national service?
Yes. I've done with it.
Oh, you finished your national service as well? Okay.
And I've still been going there.
So you get contract with the mall?
Yes.
So
with the individual shops, not the mall.
Right.
Yeah. Individual shops.
So you went to the shop owners, and then you presented yourself.
Yes.
You market yourself.
Yes.
That is inspirational. Instead of somebody sitting down. You said something that there's no jobs in Ghana.
Yeah, and to get a job is difficult. You can even write CVs on application, but to call you is not easy.
Yeah.
And then I decided to also do settings so that I can even help people that are also suffering like me.
Yeah.
To work with.
Charlie, stop the CV.
So at the end of the day, so this is a business. So you are doing a business. You're self-employed. So you get the money and then you pay your workers. Yeah? Okay. And you are happy with it?
Yeah. So I may
So
say that they are paying them.
Who is paying who?
The tenants.
Your client?
Yeah, they are paying.
The shop owners?
Yes.
The shop owners are paying your...
Money.
So who give them the money? So they
give the money for me to give it to them, or sometimes they give it to them directly. It depends maybe how they get their money at the end of the month. When they are around, they give it to them on maybe mobile phone, or when they also have an account number.
No, and what I need to know is, I understand that, what I need to know is, you employ them.
Yeah,
You employ them.
Yeah.
It means you pay them,
yeah,
but not the shop. The shop owner gives you the money, and you pay them.
Yeah.
So they are under you.
yeah.
Legally, you are employing them,
Yeah.
not the shop owners. Okay, that is what I needed to clarify. So this is how it is. Okay, the lady is shy, the young girl is shy. Whilst I'm still here, I will frequent it and see whether she will get the confidence to talk. And yes, her story is inspirational. 15-year-old, legally, like I said, she's not supposed to be working, but it is what it is. This is Africa. Africa, you can work and earn a living, which is better than someone sitting in a corner and expecting manna from heaven. Okay? There's no manna in heaven. You have to work for it. So, Mr. Samuel Dankwa, thank you very much for giving me your time and hopefully we will meet again and continue from here. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.